Oh, yeah. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to all everyone, yo. What's up, man? This is your favorite blogger, content creator in the Philippines. My name is Go Jae Young. Yo Jae Young. That's my true name. Yo Jae Young. And let's go, yo. Join to my breakfast today. This is my ramen noodles. Alright. And this is ramen noodles. Ramen noodles 2 times. Yeah, seafood flavor. This is ramen noodles. Seafood flavor. My favorite. Yeah, that's right. Do you like this? Oh, you know this. And this is 2 times.
Ano ba talaga
Yeah,
problema
I
mo?
love this. I
Kanina ka
love
pa ganyan.
this. Next time, I want to buy samyang. So I try to buy samyang and to eat that for my content. Yeah, let's go and eat. Join to me, yo. Yan. What the lasa of this ramen noodles is very nice. Is this very nice, yo. Oh, it's so good. It's so very yummy. You know, I love Philippines because of this. Because of this, Philippines is I love. Because I have bread. Yeah, this is bread. And the bread is pandesal. The pandesal, yeah. Do you like panda? Yo, panda in the broom broom. Yun, the broom broom. Oh, I love this. I love this day. I love this day and the Philippines. You know? How are you today, baby? Oh, it's so very yummy, yo. So very delicious. And spicy ramen noodles, my favorite. This is compatible. Oh, it is very fighting the monster, the panda and the broom broom. Yeah, the
Wala
broom
kang
broom.
awa!
Alright, I like this. So what's your breakfast today? How are you? This is my breakfast today. And I love this. Unbelievable. Oh, to all asking me if what my name. Yo, my name is Go Jae Young. I'm from South Korea. But I'm lumaki to the Los Angeles, California. And now I'm here in the Philippines for my long vacation. But I want to decide I want a permanent resident in your country. Welcoming me, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, I want to kiss my panda. Yeah, panda. So very sweet, my panda. This is very sweet, my panda, and I love this. I'm very loving panda. Yo, break it down, alright. Yo, break it down, yo, alright. Let's go, come on, and join to me and eat. And so how are the rich kid and the poor kid in the Philippines? How are you all? What you're doing today? Me is eating, yeah. Eating my breakfast. My breakfast is noodles, yeah. My low budget, I have no money. Please donate to me for my very special mukbang. Donate to me 1,000 kyaw. Alright. Let's go and eat. And I love that. I love that. Let's go and eat. I love that. So how are you all? Thank you for supporting me. Please follow, share, comment my video and all my posts for